Picture this. It's a sunny weekend, the grill is fired up, and that sizzling, smoky char on your meat smells irresistible. But here's what most people don't realize. That beautiful crust hides something dangerous. When fat drips onto hot coals, it burns and releases chemicals called polycyclic aromatic hydrocarbons, or PAHs for short. These aren't just complicated words from a chemistry textbook. They're carcinogenic substances formed through pyrolysis and oxidation of fat at high cooking temperatures, and they stick directly to your food. In fact, grilled meats are one of the highest dietary sources of polycyclic aromatic hydrocarbons. The flavor might be amazing, but the hidden cost could be your health. Now here's the twist, and the good news. Scientists discovered a natural, everyday ingredient that can cut down these toxins by nearly 95%, without ruining the flavor. So what is it? They tested 4 common fruit powders. Let's count them down. In 4th place, mango, with an impressive 89% reduction. 3rd, papaya, cutting PAHs by 90%. 2nd, lemon, even stronger at 91%. But the undisputed champion? Guava powder. This humble fruit slashed PAHs by an incredible 94.8%. The secret lies in its antioxidants, especially ellagic acid, which work like tiny shields, blocking harmful compounds before they even form. But here's the catch. Simply sprinkling guava powder on your meat? Only about a 65% reduction. Still good, but nowhere near its full power. The winning method? Marination. By soaking your meat in just a 1.2% guava powder solution for 20 minutes, you let those antioxidants penetrate deep, creating a protective barrier. Sounds great in theory, right? But what about the flavor? After all, no one wants a weird, fruity taste on their steak. Well, researchers ran official blind taste tests and the results were shocking. Panelists couldn't tell the difference. The guava marinade didn't change the smell, the taste, or the overall experience. Smoky flavor? Still there. Juicy tenderness? Unchanged. But the danger? Slashed by nearly 95%. So here's the verdict. With just one simple step, you can enjoy the same barbecue you love, while protecting yourself from one of grilling's biggest hidden risks. And that's the power of food science, turning a guilty pleasure into a safer, smarter choice. If you want more science-backed hacks that transform the way you eat without losing flavor, make sure to subscribe. Because your next meal could be the difference between fueling your body or harming it. Now go fire up that grill with confidence.